So Xiaomi has launched the long-awaited Mi Desk Lamp 1S in India. So in this video we are going to unbox it and review it and see if it's actually worth it. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can do that from the top right corner in the info card, and at any time if you want to check out this lamp, you can check out all the links down below in the description. So this is the Xiaomi's Mi LED Smart Desk Lamp 1S. That is a mouthful of words, but it was launched around 3 years ago in other countries and now it's finally here in India. So this was one of the beautiful looking lamp that I've seen so far. So when it was available, I just quickly go ahead and ordered it, and here it is. So first let's unbox it and see all the contents of it, and then we will talk about the lamp itself. So here is the package from Xiaomi, and as you can see, this contains the retail box of the Mi Smart Desk Lamp 1S. Let's just open it up, take out the retail box and see how it looks. So if this video is delayed, then the only reason would be this thing. So here's the retail box. So one more plastic sheet to go. Literally they are wasting a lot of plastic, and this is not very eco-friendly, by the way. So here is the retail box, and please, I just apologize that my desk is a little short for this unboxing, but please bear with me. So here's the logo of Xiaomi, and it says Good Design Award 2016, Gold Award 2017, and it's 2020, I guess. But below this we have the image of the lamp itself, how it is supposed to look, and below this it says Alexa, Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit. And it says Mi Smart LED Desk Lamp 1S, adjustable brightness and color temperature, and app and voice control, low blue light content. So that was some of the features, but on the side we have nothing. On the other side the same thing. On the other side, okay, so we got some things to read, so like the model number, contents of the box, which we are going to see in a second. Below this, MRP 3000 rupees, never trust this thing, dimensions, color, white, and if you want to read, that's up to you. But I'm really excited to check it out, so let's just open this thing up. So first thing we get is a little box which contains the power adapter to use it. Let's see what else do we have in the box. So there is another thing, that is the user manual, how to use it, blah blah blah, but we don't need this, I guess. So last but not the least, we get the lamp itself. So let's open the lamp. So here is the lamp itself. As you can see, it's pretty long, and that's what she said. Comment how many people of you were thinking to write the same thing. But we have the knob right here which controls the power, the temperature, the brightness, everything. And we have a little instruction how to use it, so that's included. But that was the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Desk Lamp 1S. And now let's test it out in the real world and see if it's even useful at all. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and download the Xiaomi Home app and then open it up. So first select the country, then click on next, and then you need to sign into the Mijia app. So let's do it. So you can use your Xiaomi account here. So after signing it in, let's select our lamp, let's add it. So to add, first you need to just use a pin to insert into the hole down on the lamp's base to reset it. So let's do it first, and then we will be able to connect this to the app. So now click on the operation confirmed and continue. So it's now connected and asking for the Wi-Fi. So let's connect it here and then just click on next. So now it's connecting to the device. So yeah, the device is now successfully set up, and now let's select the bedroom and name this device. Let's OK, and you can share this device with someone. So the device is now successfully connected with the app, so we can use it from here, like color temperature, all the controls that you can use with the knob, color temperature, brightness, some different modes like candle, night mode, and also you can set up some automations here as well. So that's pretty much it for the setup of this lamp, and now let's review this, test it out, see how it performs. So now the lamp is successfully set up and now we can use it. So design wise, I want to say that this is one of the beautiful things that I own in my room. Both arms of the lamp is made out of metal, which makes them very high quality premium feeling device. The hinge is also in metal, but the base is in plastic, and the base itself is quite heavy, so it doesn't feel like it's going to topple anytime soon. Now there is only one cable which is visible, which is this cable on the top with kind of a red orange accent, which is very elegant and not very noticeable. To control the lamp, we have a knob on the base which serves multiple purpose, like to turn on and off, brightness control, color temperature, etc. And for more functionality, you can download the Xiaomi Mi Home app, and in the app you will get the same control like the color temperature, brightness, etc. But along with that, you will also get additional presets and some effects like candle, flash, etc. You can also set automations from the app as well, like turn on the lamp automatically at the set time. And it also works with Google Home app and Apple HomeKit, I guess that's what it's called. But keeping all the fancy stuff aside, the lamp is overall a great product. It serves the purpose really well and it does what it meant for. And especially in this range, there is no good lamp, and second of all, there is not many minimal and elegant looking lamps, and lastly, you have to pay a ton of money to get smart functionality on a lamp. However, the only downside I find was there is no inbuilt battery on this lamp, like there is an inbuilt battery on this other Xiaomi lamp that I have, but there are not many scenarios that I can think of that you will need to take a lamp from one place to another, and the chances that there won't be any power supply, so I can easily get away without the inbuilt battery. But now coming down to the price of this device, this lamp was available for 2000 rupees on the crowdfunding project of Xiaomi, but whenever it will be available, I will provide it down below in the description. But overall, if you're looking for a lamp that is designed so well and very elegant and minimal looking lamp and comes with so many features like smart control, automations, works with Google Assistant, Home Siri, HomeKit, etc., then you should definitely go for it. But that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.